ही लोगों के पसीने निकल जाते हैं।
मैं अपोलो, मुझे देखते ही लोगों का पसीना निकल जाता है।
मेरे नाम सुनते ही पसीना क्या? ये सब यहाँ से शुरू हुआ। दिस इज संजू बाबा, an expert in hardware design. This is दुबे जी, टेस्टिंग इनके नस नस में भरा। This is Nuts, our favorite manager. And this is PK, after adding thermal pad to Apollo, पता नहीं हॉपर को मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ। Looks like he is late again.
Let's start the discussion.
Yes, this is the right product. The product is so pretty. Can I see the toy? It is okay. You're so cute.
Cute? What cute? Oh, such a small product. This can be completed in 1 month.
Hardware design is very complex. 1 month is difficult.
Acha, how many more days are required?
We need at least 2 more days.
2 days. Oh, what is this toy? Dadi wala toy.
Where is the dancer? We being HR have to plan for Euphoria.
He's coming. Oh, there he is. Hi, Sina.
Hi.
Lovely. You should train our band team.
Yes, हम किसी को भी नचा सकते हैं.
Which song is in your mind? Can we do Chittiya Kalaiya Mein?
No. I have a special song for your team.
Excellent.
Guys, please assemble fast. It is our first call with Denver team. I heard that they are very professional, so let's be professional too. Note down everything in detail. You should take initiative and send the minutes after the call. Okay, let's dial the number. Hello, how are you guys?
Maga,
What?
Mura.
मोरे माँ का मुझे गाली देता है, साले तेरे बाप का, तेरे अक्का फैमिली का। गाली का प्रोफेशनलिज्म, साले लोग गाली देते हैं।
हम थोड़ी बोले, आपने ही बोला वो प्रोफेशनल है।
PK sir, calm down. I have one question.
हाँ बोल।
इस कॉल का मिनट्स आप भेजोगे या कोई और?
अबे तेरी को साले।
Looks like this call is over.
Yes, just happy.
How about dinner tonight?
कहाँ है पीके सर? फिर लेट है आज। पीके सर, there is a minor issue in Hopper Go.
Issue in such a small product. Huh?
Hopper Go is not updating the battery charge percentage.
You have to guide the product to do so. Else how will it know? Go, get Hopper Go. I will show how to train the product. Also note down how I am training the product for future reference.
Okay sir. नहीं पता लगेगा।
Oh no, how are you, Hopper Go? अरे यार बचाओ, क्या कर रहे हो?
Sorry, sir. I'm busy taking notes.
Chinna, did you find us a song?
I found a better special song.
Wow, really? Can you show me a few steps?
Not yet started.
Oh, okay. Show me the moonwalk.
ये लो.
Are you okay? नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता. He cannot do his signature step. अभी मैं क्या करूं? Can you still dance?
Yes, but
Oh no, Euphoria is next week.
don't worry. I have one more special song.
Thank God.
But you have to postpone the event by a week.
That's okay.
All the managers are supposed to meet here in few minutes. Let me call Chinna. Hello, Chinna. Come fast. All the managers will meet here in few minutes.
I'll be there in few minutes.
Okay.
Oh, this is a fashion. You don't have?
PK sir, there is one very minor issue in Hopper Gate.
क्या? एक और? नहीं,
क्यों इतना डर रहे हो?
नहीं, क्या डर? कोई डर नहीं. I just remembered I have another meeting. Sanju Baba, can you take care of this issue?
Why not?
Sanju sir, the Hopper Go is not responding to Wi-Fi commands.
You have to guide the product to do so. Else, how it will know? Go get Hopper Go. मैं डेमो देता हूँ कैसे प्रोडक्ट को ट्रेन करना है.
Okay, अभी पता लगेगा.
Hopper Go. So sweet.
क्या हो रहा है? संजू बाबा Wi-Fi issues डिबग कर रहे थे. But there is one more very minor issue with DDR memory. अरे यार, you have to guide the product to do so. That's how it know. Learn from me. See, Hopper Go. So.
अयो कड़वले मुर्गा.
Oh no, Chinna, would you be able to dance?
Not sure. Don't worry. There is one more special song for your night. Ayo.
Great.
But you have to postpone the Euphoria by one more week.
That's okay.
यार नहीं करना है. सिर्फ वही समझ में आ रहा है.
Nothing much we can do. Hopper Go is not listening to us.
I think it is time to call him now.
Yes, let's call him now.
I will call him. Whitwell is coming. Yeah, he's coming.
Hi guys. I want to understand the issue completely.
There are a few minor issues.
Apple biscuit.
One at a time, guys. I like everything to be quantified.
Okay. First issue. We need apple and biscuits after lunch to improve efficiency.
Second issue. US Walmart team has a lot of attitude issue. आज तक हर कॉल में हमें गाली देते हैं.
तो आप क्या करते हो?
पीके सर फोन तोड़ते हैं और दूबे जी नया फोन लाते हैं. पर जो भी हो, अपना इंजीनियर मिनट्स रेगुलरली नोट करता है.
हॉपर में टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है, पर आप ही देख लीजिए।
Hopper Go has few very minor issues.
You have to guide the product to do so. Else how it will go? Go get Hopper Go. Seniors को देख के सीखो।
Not again.
सर आप बात कीजिए, हम अभी आते हैं।
अरे रुको यार, I insist you stay. By the way, Hopper Go, tell me one thing. अब समझ में आया एप्पल और बिस्किट क्यों चाहिए।
सर आप बहुत जल्दी समझ लेते हो।
By the way, tell me one thing.
Tell me sir.
Please list down all the issues in Hopper Go.
सर देखिए, there are few minor issues. एक वाईफाई काम नहीं कर रहा है, एक मेमोरी फेलियर हो रहा है, और कभी कभी एसओसी भी फेलियर हो जाता है, और ये इशू का भी कुछ ऐसे ही लफड़ा चल रहा है, पर सर कुछ माइनर इशू है।
तो बच्चा क्या है? बैटरी तो ठीक काम कर रहा है, तो सब कुछ फेल हो रहा है सिर्फ बैटरी का। I want to understand the failures in details.
इससे ज्यादा डिटेल्स तो किसी के पास भी नहीं।
डिजाइनर से बात करवाओ। हाँ, व्हाइट वॉश स्ट्राइकर को बुलाओ।
सर नहीं, ये बहुत स्लो बोलता है, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कितना टाइम हुआ है।
स्लो बोलेगा तो ही डिटेल में बोलेगा, उसी को बुलाओ।
ठीक है सर, मैं चला, आप डिस्कस कर लो।
Hi Whitewash, can you please explain the issues?
यस सर।
एक इशू एक्सप्लेन करते करते मेरे इतने दाढ़ी निकल आए।
और 3 इश्यू एक्सप्लेन करना बाकी है सर।
अरे छोड़ो यार, जान लोगे क्या?
सर रुकिए रुकिए सर।
Guys, let's start the call with HCD. Hello, Anhoni.
Hello, BTC team. What is happening on Hopper Go? There are few minor issues which we are debugging, but the main issue is that we have very less support from US Goldman team. Can you speak to them in your daytime and fix the issue? What is the issue? They always start the call by insulting us. Will, when you travel US, can you please take care of this issue?
Anhoni, why don't you speak to them in your daytime?
I also have the same problem. They start the call with me also the same way. Sanju Baba, any updates on Hopper Go?
Yes, after seeing series of failures, we have started Yagnas in our lab. Hello.
What is Yajna?
Yagna is a kind of thermal testing of the product. Hello.
Excellent. You guys are testing the product beyond the requirements. I think Sadie will be excited to know about this. Good to know, guys. We'll talk to you later.
Hello. I will live for US and shall come back in a week's time.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Improving relationship.
मिनट हो रहा है।
hope he has solved all our problems.
Welcome back, sir. Curious that your friends here.
To some extent. When I was in US, he welcomed me also by saying Maka. I wanted to hit him on his face, but
What, sir?
he was huge and muscular. इसीलिए छोड़ दिया.
तो आपने उनसे कुछ भी बात नहीं की?
नहीं, करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा.
क्यों?
अरे आप लोग गाली बोलते रहे. वो गाली नहीं, उसका नाम है माँ का मूड़े. तुम लोग भी ना ऐसे ही फोन तोड़ के इतना खर्चा कर दिया. ओ, मुझे भी ऐसे ही लग रहा था. ये पीके थी ना.
चलो अब तो रोज कॉल कर सकते हैं।
गुड विनविल जी, अब तो आपने 2 इश्यूज रिसॉल्व कर दिया. अब लास्ट एक इशू सॉल्व कर दो ना.
अरे यार, हॉपर को का इशू तुम लोग सॉल्व करो.
There is one more minor issue in Hopper Group.
No, give it to somebody else. अरे नहीं, बचाओ.
She seems to be happy to see Winvil. Sanju Baba, now try going close to her. विनोद जी, बैटरी चार्जिंग के बारे में बात कर रही है ना?
No. By the way, बैटरी थोड़ा सा चार्ज कर लो. अच्छी बात है.
वो DDR इशू भी.
DDR क्यों फेल कर रहे हो? पास कर दो ना. मेरी दाढ़ी अभी उखाड़ देगी. जल्दी बोलो.
और गेज इशू, SOC फेलियर, सबका फिक्स करने के लिए बोलो.
हाँ. गेज इशू भी फिक्स कर दो. और SOC भी. Guys, any other issues?
No other issues, sir.
Hopper go. Good girl. अब जाओ, फिर मिलते हैं.
आप महान हैं सर।
सर, वाईफाई इशू हो गया सर. अरे यार, फिर से हॉपर को से मार खानी पड़ेगी.
नहीं सर, जब तक आपका फ्रेंच बियर्ड है तब तक हॉपर को आपकी सब बात मानेगी.
Okay, let's go find where is Hopper go.
Please welcome the cutest product in sling history, Hopper Go. Also welcome Brilliant Minds and Hopper Go.
Wait. We have to practice for the dance show by our favorite dancer Chinna. Let's train everybody else with a special song.
Yes, please call all the dancers.
By the way, who's going to read the disclaimer, yaar?
All the characters and incidents in this skit are purely imaginary. Any resemblance to real life incidents or people is purely